Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here again at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Today I'm on our 2020 Bennington 23 RSB. This boat is a tri-tune with the ESP performance package, center tube fuel tank at 60 gallons, powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower V8 engine. This boat has the DTS electronic shift controls for the throttle and the shifting, and also has the Mercury power steering. One of my favorite color schemes, I know you guys have heard me say this numerous times, but this is the ocean blue with the blackout package. It also has the graphite interior and bamboo flooring. Really just a spectacular boat. I'm gonna let the cameraman here take you down the side and get you a better look, and then hand the camera over to me so I can show you the inside. Okay, let's take a look at the inside of this boat. Lots of upgrades on it, and also lots of standard features since this is an R series Bennington. As I was saying, this is the graphite interior with the carbon accent. It is the pillow top upgraded upholstery option. Don't be afraid by the darker colors in this boat. This is the Syntex upholstery that stays much cooler than traditional soft touch upholstery. Conveniently placed flip down armrests with USB chargers. Nice wide contoured seating that wraps around fully. We did the bamboo flooring in this boat. It's a great design and featured accent. Take a look at the console on this. It's got the elevated helm, the Corvina steering wheel, the Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo with the sub and amp upgrade. Has the 9-inch Simrad digital dash that gives you all your engine stats and GPS and chart plotter right on the screen. We did equip this boat with the RBG lighting package. So it has all the cup holder lights, speaker lights, and rear swim platform swingback lights. Here's the seat that everybody really loves. So you've got a nice wraparound seating. And then for when you're moored or hanging out in the back of the boat, you can flip the seat inwards and have this nice large rear pad. Of course, with additional radio remote, USB chargers, and cup holders. Nice extended swim platform. We did do the curved boarding ladder on this boat. And take a look at that 300 horsepower Mercury motor and American flag. Hope you guys can come by here and see this boat in person. MarineMax in Greenville. Got a bunch of other boats on the showroom right now to show you as well.